Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetsReviews.com, and today we are here at the Samsung booth at Mobile World Congress 2015, and Samsung has launched the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge and S6. We do not have the S6 as of now, but we do have the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge with us, with which we are going to compare the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, because the first device to have an Edge display was the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge has also got an Edge display just like this one. But I will show you the difference in between these two. We will compare these two devices on the basis of specification, display size, and some other things as well, and then later on we will do a quick hands-on review in this video itself. First of all, let's start with the comparison in between these two phones. As you can see, both of them are looking pretty good on the basis of build quality. However, there is a slight difference over there, which is we have plastic being used over there, whereas we have metal being used on the Samsung Galaxy S6, which makes this one slightly better in terms of the build quality. However, there are some differences as well, that this device has got the curved display or the Edge display only on one side, and the other side is actually a flat side, whereas on this one the Samsung Galaxy S6 has got a curved display on this side as well as on this side. So they have actually curved the display glass, and when you compare the curved area or the area in which you will see the Edge display, you will see that this Edge display is much bigger as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, which is kind of smaller. As far as the Edge display part is concerned, it starts from here and it goes till here, but after that you will see the bezel on the Samsung Galaxy S6, whereas on this device the Edge display starts from here and goes till this point. So this one is actually a bigger Edge display, which you will get especially in case Edge display is a preference for you as compared to the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge display. So again, this device has Edge curved display on both the edges, but the right edge is something which solves more purpose, because if you rub it like this, you will see notification being displayed over there like this, and even if you basically are there on the lock screen, you would like to see notifications of missed calls and missed messages, then you can slide it like this, so you can see those notifications from your friends, especially in case you have a missed call on this device through this Edge display. So the right edge is something which gives you all the functionality, whereas this is again for viewing. And one more thing which is possible on this phone is that whenever you are getting a call, and if you have the phone being placed like this, you can actually see certain amount of light glowing, which is going to be powered through the Edge display, so that you can see something is happening, and then you can pick up the phone, and if it is a call, you can always pick it up and answer it. So as far as comparison goes, I would say the build quality is better over here. We have aluminum or metal being used on the edges, whereas this device has plastic specifically over here, and this part is again plastic. This is not metal. So we have seen metal on the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, but the Note Edge does not have metal on the edges, which is the major difference. And on this device we have got metal, because the curved part is actually not that much. If the curved part is bigger, then they cannot put metal over here. So this is the difference in between these two devices as far as the Edge display is concerned. Talking about the camera remains the same. We have got 16 megapixel camera, which has been taken from Samsung Galaxy Note 4. It is an autofocus camera, can record high definition video, can record slow motion video, but there is slight amount of difference over there. We have the sensors over there, LED flash, and we have few more sensors over there with LED flash. And this device is actually a flat device, and there is a camera bulge definitely, which will make it kind of uneven when you place it on a surface, because this part will go up because of this emerging camera module. Talking about the front camera is again good on both of them. It is a 5 megapixel camera module, and it can record high definition video at 1080p. Talking about the display is definitely bigger over here. So if you want a better value for money device, I would say in case display is something which you need, then you will get a bigger display. Both of them will support 4G in India, so 4G is supported on both of them, but bigger display if you need, then you can go for this one. This is bigger, whereas this is 5.1 inch display. This is bigger than that. Talking about the bottom, on the front we have the home button, and one thing which is different over here, this one is running the latest version of TouchWiz UI, which is based on Android Lollipop 5.0.2, and you can launch the camera much faster over here. For example, if you want to launch the camera, you just need to double click the home button and the camera will get launched, and it is approximately 0.7 second, not even a second it will take to launch the camera, and it is faster when it comes to the launch time, even if you compare it with an iPhone 6. We have an iPhone 6 over there, If you compare these two devices, the device over here has a better build quality, it has a better camera, it has a faster launch time as far as the camera module is concerned, so everything is better. But if you compare the Samsung Galaxy S6 with this one, then S6 Edge, sorry, with this Edge, the Note Edge, then camera will get launched faster. This one has Lollipop, this one has KitKat, so you are getting better device over here, which is far more easier to handle. I was actually suspecting about the overall feel of it, that it could be kind of heavier, but even when they have given metal on the edges and glass at the front as well as at the back, which is a Corning Gorilla Glass 4, so you will not get to see the scratches on this device. However, you can easily notice the fingerprints which will appear. You can always get a case and get rid of that, but the device build quality, considering it has metal and this kind of display size and this kind of curved display glass, it is very solid, and it is also light in terms of the weight. It is around 132 grams, which make it very light, and the thickness is also not that much. It is approximately 7 millimeter as far as the thickness is concerned. So in terms of the build quality, this is very good and better than the Note Edge, especially in case you are comparing these two phones. But this one will give you a bigger display, so this is the only thing which is going to matter. You will get a bigger display and a bigger battery as well. So bigger display, bigger battery, the back cover is removable, whereas this is a unibody device, the back cover is non-removable, and you get a 2600 milliampere battery inside, whereas this is approximately 3200 milliampere battery. So this will definitely give you a better battery backup over time, especially on your usage, but this one also have a bigger display. So this is the kind of comparison which we wanted to do in between the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge and the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. So do let us know if you have any specific question for these two devices. We would love to help you. You can like the video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.